Hello, my name is James Zanuck and I'm with Harcourt's Desert Homes in beautiful Palm Springs, California. Welcome to our newest listing located at 60950 Livingstone Drive at Trilogy at La Quinta, one of the premier 55-plus communities in the Coachella Valley. This property is located on a large corner lot and is highly upgraded with a magical backyard perfect for entertaining. We're about to show you what luxury desert living looks like at Trilogy. Let's go inside and take a look.